Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating power and interference variables. Charge the headset and base fully because low battery can cause echo. Once done, set the base station to the correct PC or console mode so routing is consistent. Make sure nearby Bluetooth devices and Wi-Fi hotspots are off or moved away to reduce RF noise. Now power both units on, keep them within 1-2 meters, and confirm the headset shows as connected. This prevents basic connectivity issues from masquerading as echo. You should perform a soft reset to clear session glitches. Hold the power button for 10 seconds, then restart the headset and base. Next, open Astro Command Center on PC to check firmware versions. Update both base and headset when updates exist because firmware mismatches often introduce echo. Once updated, adjust chat versus game audio and sidetone settings in the software. This changes routing and microphone monitoring levels, which often removes feedback loops. Repeat connecting after every change. You now repair the headset and base from factory pairing mode to ensure a clean link. Follow the manual's pairing sequence and confirm LEDs stabilize. Then test the headset with a different PC or console to determine whether the issue is the original device's settings or the headset itself. If echo persists after pairing and cross-testing, reduce mic sensitivity or mute sidetone. This removes local monitoring feedback. One key tip: if lowering mic sensitivity doesn't help, try a different optical/USB input. That isolates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.